Begin by opening your WordPress website in your preferred browser. You start from the main site homepage, which is where you can access all the features and tools that WordPress offers. Once the page is loaded, look towards the top right corner. There you will see a login option that serves as your gateway to the WordPress dashboard and all of its management features. After you locate the login option in the upper right area of the screen, click on it to proceed. This action takes you to the authentication portal, where you have several options to sign in securely. In this part of the process, you will have the option to use your Google account for a quicker and more secure login experience. At this point, click on the button that indicates Continue with Google. By selecting this option, you will be prompted to choose one of the Google accounts associated with you. Carefully pick the account you intend to use with your WordPress website. This method leverages Google's authentication, allowing you to bypass having to manually type your username and password while ensuring that your login credentials are managed securely. Once you have signed in with your Google account, shift your attention towards the address bar in your browser, where the web address is prominently displayed. This URL bar is where you will make a very specific adjustment to navigate to the correct login page if needed. Take a moment to review the URL that is shown there. This string of text identifies the current page you are viewing. Now it is time to make a small yet important modification. Carefully remove the last part of the URL that appears in the address bar. It is essential during this step to delete only the final segment of the address, so you leave the rest of the URL intact. This action purges any extraneous parts of the address that might otherwise prevent you from reaching the intended login page. After you have excised this last segment, replace it with the precise text /w -login.php. Type this directly into the URL bar, ensuring that every character is correctly inputted. When this change is made, your browser is redirected to the standard WordPress login interface, which is specifically designed for user authentication and site management. This login page is recognized as the official route to access the back end of your site. In the event that you do not recall your password or believe it might have been forgotten, look for the forgotten password link on the login page. Clicking this link initiates the password recovery process. Follow the instructions carefully as the system guides you through verifying your identity and setting up a new password. Completing these steps helps to restore secure access to your WordPress account while maintaining your site's integrity. By following these instructions, you ensure that your login process is both efficient and secure. The method leverages both the convenience of Google authentication and a direct URL adjustment to quickly navigate to the correct WordPress login page. Each step is designed to streamline your user experience and to safeguard access to your website. Enjoy the simplicity and security of your managed login access as you continue your work on WordPress.